Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make presentations using Gamma. First, let's dive into getting started with this innovative tool. Gamma is an AI-powered platform designed to help you create stunning and engaging presentations with remarkable ease. You can begin by selecting from professional templates or starting from scratch. Simply input your presentation topic and key points, and let Gamma's artificial intelligence generate compelling content. Then, customize the layout and design elements to perfectly match your brand or message, ensuring a polished final product. Once you've provided your initial input, Gamma's artificial intelligence will swiftly generate a preliminary set of slides. This offers a solid foundation for your presentation. Carefully review and refine the generated text, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your message and desired tone. You have complete control to add new sections, remove unnecessary ones, or rearrange the order to optimize your presentation's flow. Leverage the AI's capabilities to suggest alternative phrasing, concise summaries, or even expand on specific points, enhancing your content's impact and clarity. Gamma offers extensive design and customization options to make your presentation truly unique. Explore a diverse range of professional themes and vibrant color palettes to set the perfect mood. Easily adjust fonts, incorporate high-quality images, and embed multimedia elements like videos or GIF to enrich your content. The platform allows you to apply consistent branding across all your slides, ensuring a cohesive and polished look. Take advantage of Gamma's smart layouts, which intelligently arrange your content for optimal readability and a professional aesthetic, saving you valuable time. Finally, sharing and collaborating on your Gamma presentation is incredibly straightforward. You can easily share your finished work with colleagues or clients by simply generating a shareable link. Gamma also facilitates real-time collaboration, allowing multiple team members to work on the same presentation simultaneously, streamlining your workflow. When it's time to deliver, you have the flexibility to export your presentation in various formats, such as PDF, or present it directly from the Gamma platform for an interactive experience. This ensures your message reaches your audience effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.